Well, John Rambo, if you know that you got your father Pablo Arab there, why you no full out? Daria face, oh, the Hangkap 91. That one is a Facom cat. That's cat or vampire. That's Nolan Lagmay, the stealing identity that Abraham Lincoln Jr. before. The calling Pablo, but stayed at Don Pablo Cigar. Daria face Abraham Lincoln Jr. is Pablo Sanchez Ababa, the hangkap, stayed at church that Mary. Until now, my mother Mary stayed at church that Mary too. The hangkap and the stealing the Nolan Lagmay. Was that Jerry Good, Mommy Vampire, or was the woman that Julie Angelina? That's Nolan Lagmay right there, the Don Pablo cigar. Now stay right there. The cat is a cat. Now you better pull out. Why? Why, John Rambo, you talking the brain, Daria Face O, is Pablo Sanchez Ababa, your father, Daria Face O. You talking the brain. Why you not listen that your father right here, downstairs, the church, Mary, the luck for good, the gold digger, the cat, the hangkap. That one stay to you is a fuck a gold digger to you. That's Nolan Lagmay. This telling identity that Abraham Lincoln Jr. That's before 91. 91, yes, that's the one. That's the one I told you. That's Nolan Lagmay. You Arnold Schwarzenegger, Uriah face. You stayed at California. I was talking to you, the brain. I contact you. You contact me, you talking to me, the brain. I'm Maria Face. I'm getting weight. I know already if you're Maria Face, you better listen to me sometimes. How many times that Father Pablo talking to you? Where? Over here, this area. Why you not listen that Lucia Ria Face kidnapped that before? But now, kind like little bit, I'm danger over here because a lot of people, the cat over here come out and want to kill me. But they protect me. One over here, they protect me. They watching me. But that's all that one over here, that power. But all I can say to you, if you my brother and you take care of my business that my father talking to me, you help me over here, many people over here. They hung up the cat before, and the Labs Bakery, they took over the Gina Camacho, was the Hicha. Later was the president. And Abraham Lincoln Jr., the hung up, is Pablo Sanchez Obaba. The cat, the stealing identity, and the state Don Pablo cigar. They got Ria face John Rambo, and they got Ria face Tony Montana. Now you, Tony Montana, you my brother. Now pull out the cat. Stay right there. And why you no more memory, Tony? I told you, Tony, you pull out the father. Stay to you. No real the Pablo. The real face. The hang up over here. Stay at Church Mary and my mother Mary over here. That's Nolan Lagmay. That's why I told you that President the time no more come back. Why? Tigora Don Pablo cigar. The Father Pablo pretend is Nolan Lagmay and the hangkap Daria face. Daria Piso, the moving loves Bekere, the moving the Church Mary again. The high Daria face and Nolan Lagmay stay Don Pablo cigar. Why? That's cat. Now I told you, President, Daria face German stay right there too. The Don Pablo cigar. You take over the Don Pablo cigar that is not belong to you. Daria face. You hung up Daria face, the O. And I don't know if you got there. My father, I'm listening the brain. They contact me the brain to talk about my father stayed downstairs, the church, the Mary. I'm listening. I know already. I'm remember familiar with me that place. The actor that was show that movie over here, that Narja, whatever that one, the Spider's Wake, or whatever that is Caroline Jones, and the Indiana Jones was over here twice and down already. You think I don't remember? I got power now and I remember exactly. And you pretend Dina. You go Labs Bikiri and you pretend president. You want me cut the head? You got plan to cut my head? Excuse me, I gonna cut your head. You don't know about me. I gonna cut your head. Why you a cat and you want to kill me? You lost the case, cat. I win the case, cat. I'm Maria face, cat. You told your people that Lucia working cut the head. No. I gonna cut your head, cat. You don't know about me, cat. Nah, you gonna talk to Nestor Salvador, you martial art, Nestor. You fight God. Oh my God, Nestor. You don't know the real face, Nestor. I'm getting wet, but you have to remember, Lucia. Nobody beat up my face, Nestor. You're very clever, man. You're Nolan Lagmay right there, the Don Pablo cigar. And you fuck the Ria face the O, and you hung up and you beat up to the church the Mary. I know already loves bakery, Nestor. You know me, Nestor. I'm side a God. But all of a sudden you side bad. You use the martial art, the power. You fuck the Arab and you fuck the Chinese too. You big fight the Chinese over here, the power. Belong the Arab, the power, not the Chinese. Diga pretend Lucia the Don Pablo, no real that Lucia Ababa. I'm a real that Lucia Ababa. This telling my identity that Gina was Monica, Monica was Dina. And he's telling my triplets long time ago and deport the Chinese, the cultural plaza and martial art. Now right now, the real that Duna Magallones I was looking to is Monica, was Dina, was Donna Magallones. And the Hari come back. Donna Magallones cat no more. No, the cat hate the kill it Monica. Gidja loves Monica. Dina cat died too. He kill it Monica. Monica wants the Godina's identity. That no more bother Dina. Now remember another Dina. Now who is the another Dina? Now another Dina, another Duna Magallones. Why always identity theft and you big fight about the money dollar the job? Your big boss the time is Arab, is Pablo Sanchez Ababa. Why you hang up the Pablo? The Pablo always the raise the people. That one no good. You big fight about Lab's Bakery. You lose. You big fight that you don't have money dollar to back up the Lab's Bakery. All you do take over. You're not doing the business. You just telling the money dollar and you get in and you got problem right there. Why? It's short. It's a big short time because the identity theft you get in, you change all the time and you're stealing the money dollar, the account. That's all that you want. You're not doing the business over here. You big fight about it, the business. Right now, Dina, and nobody stop me. I can cut your head. You got plan to kill me. You want to cut my head. You claiming a billionaire, not billionaire. You claiming a queen. You're not a queen. The queen, I tell you, got the power. It's a fight. You claiming queen that you don't have power. You take over my love dub and my password. And you go right there, the business. And you go take over